Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to use PicsArt app and make amazing intro, animation, photo editing, photo color gradient and remove background, make thumbnail for YouTube video, make banner, make poster and like everything to using PicsArt. So I say you again, what is PicsArt? PicsArt application as a tool for helping you to find and make many design. Okay, so PicsArt application very helpful for everyone and everyone and think a lot of. So if you like to this application and create your design, please watching the full video, and I think it is very helpful for you and also you like this video. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay. Okay friend, and now I start the tutorial. Just click the PicsArt application. It takes some time. Okay friend, just wait some moment, it will take some time, and also have many add on this application. Okay, they will say me create a account, but I have not feel good to create any account, so I don't create any account. So if you think to create an account, just click create an account and put your email address and set your password. That it will be very helpful. But if you think you can join with Google or Facebook, but I think I no need this. And now I just no need to create any account, then I will click skip. Okay, so I click skip and it will say me need to take a trial, but I have no interest to take a trial. Just I click cross and I leave the segment. So this application told me to give them my folder access, but I don't like to give them to my folder access. So in this video and I show you how to edit anything, like I need a blank template, so I click blank template. It's just coming 1 minute, so I will get a আমাদের এখানে জামাত আরাফা হবে ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা জামাতে সবাই শরীক হব ইনশাআল্লাহ আমিন So friend, you can see that I take a blank template for make a design, and in this video I want to show you how to use PicsArt and make amazing design for this, like your client, like your personal, like your project, like your presentation, like your homework, and etc everything. Okay, just 1 minute I take some text for this design. Okay, so I take some text for this design. There are lots of feature available on this application in this bot in this below, okay, so I said you pull down in the top bottom. I just write bottom, BOTAM. In the top bottom, I say that in the downside you can say there is also coming ad to make design. It is very disturbance. So you can see that there are a lot of function available. Okay, you can see that there are almost 20 feature available on this application. One is call out, farm, shape, mask, lens flyer, draw, mask, and something else on this side. Just 1 minute. Border, brush, field, add photo, text, repair, and I see you the another feature on available on this application is the called. Just 1 minute. Replay, cutout, sticker, remove bg, retouch, and another something available on there. So first of all I take text, discover. Okay, just I take the picture for this omen. Just 1 minute. You can see that there are options available on this segment. I take it, and just 1 minute. It takes some time for loading. My mobile is very low configure, so that's the reason it's take many loading and take some time to open. And yeah, that's it. So I cut this option, and I think it's my mobile is hang. Okay, it just takes some time. Just 1 minute. I creating home. Okay, it's take free trial, but I have no need to try it. Okay, I just click choose my photos. Okay, I think this is some turbo on this application. Oh my god, it's take time. uh Continue, and I cut out this. Just 1 minute. Okay, I cut the application. I think it's loading again and again, and I close the recent page. Okay, I think this application help to you make awesome design and some more. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any question about this video, please ask me in the comment section. or you can send me message or email that will be attached on YouTube about section. Thank you so much. Children, take care.